Don't break my heart, Mikey break. Oh, no? Oh, no. Better Angels music? They're about great music. None of that stuff. Welcome to the DGG Taser retail location in Jacksonville, Florida. Let's go inside, check out the awesome stuff they have, and watch out for that ferocious dog. They've got tons of stuff for our law enforcement. Equipment. Everything. I'm going to show you around. And you don't have to be law enforcement. You can be a regular lady, just like me. Let's go. Want a jacket? Maybe a gas mask? They've got all types of gear that you want to wear. Whether it's shirts, pants, backpacks. Here's a little bit of this stuff right in their retail store. Holsters, double pouches and shiny pouches, gloves, and belt loop holsters. These are all holsters. It's a lot of gloves. Yeah, there's lots of products to choose from. They've got belts. I mean, gear is good. But this is the meat. This is the good stuff. The firearms, the other tactical weapons. By the way, we're about to fire some tasers. You ready for that? What are you going to shoot the C2 at?
Some targets.
Good luck.
Silver ones.
Here we go.
That's it.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
Now let it run. That's going to run 30 seconds. If you're the bad guy, that's a long time.
That's a long time to be tased. I'm about to fire up the X3. That's 3 shots, semi-automatic. Boom, boom, pow. Looks like we got a pretty hard criminal over there to the left.
Oh, yeah?
He's resisting arrest.
He's resisting. All right. Whenever you're ready. Done. Oh, middle? What's that? I don't think so. Right side? Sir? Sir?
Done.
I was made for this job.
I'm not resisting. I am not resisting.
Now it's time for the X12. Oh, yeah.
Good hit.
Did I hit it?
Yeah,
Right
It
on
shook.
that side, yeah.
Ew.
You got it.
What's the
So it
special?
should pull back in. There you go. There you go.
My bad.
That's all right. You don't do it every day, you don't know. There's a hit, baby. Oh, yeah.
How you feeling? Not too good, are you? That was just a practice round. Real time.
There you go. See it?
Yeah! How's that feel?
Spun in.
Don't touch it.
You can see his shirt. It's a little bit.
Oh, yeah. You can even see where the shirt's twisted because the
Yep.
thing's spinning when it goes in. You can pin that to the shirt in a twist motion.
All right, you picked up your weapon. How about some accessories? Every weapon needs a good accessory, like a scarf or, well, I mean, real accessories.
Mirage.
Right, that's the Mirage.
When is this going to be available?
That's available now.
And that's the Under Armour shoe.
Right.
I like them.
This is the new
Desert
Desert.
color.
Anything else you want to put in?
That color for right
Nice.
now, OD.
Just for reference, I think my flip-flop weighs more than that, so
Yeah.
Put it
my,
back on.
my tactical flip-flop. That concludes the tour of DGG Taser's retail location. I couldn't leave empty-handed. I want to protect myself just like law enforcement does. Tasers, guns, I mean, those are cool. I went hardcore. I went with the pink nanolight. Watch out. I'm protecting myself. Better Angels Music also sponsored our hiring process, and that's pretty awesome.